Hey y'all, it's Nisha here and welcome to today's video. We got a nice little haul going on for you all. I have some hair care, some makeup, some skincare, some body care, all types of products to share with you all. A lot of these are repurchases, things I need to re-up on, and then some of these are like newer products that I wanted to try out. Some of these products I might have already tried out in like a recent get ready with me type of video, but if I have, I'll go ahead and link that video up in the cards for you all once I do get to it. But just wanted to share some of the things that I've been buying with y'all. But first, before we get into this haul, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. I post new videos twice a week, so if you're subscribed, you done hit that notification bell, then you won't miss another upload from me. So let's just go ahead and get into the haul, and we're probably going to start with the hair care. So the first product I want to share with you all is from Trey Looks. This is from their Soothe and Restore line, their ultra moisturizing and deep conditioner. This came out, I want to say, earlier this year, and I said I was going to pick it up, and I finally did pick it up. I haven't tried it yet. I'm a little nervous though, because when I was mentioning that I wanted to pick it up, some of y'all were saying that y'all didn't really feel the moisture, y'all didn't really like it. So there's definitely some mixed feelings about this deep conditioner, but I definitely will do a review for you all. I've been meaning to do one, but I've just been super busy. I'm getting back into my groove, getting back to the swing of things, so I think I should definitely have a review of this very soon, and I think I'll go ahead and add in this curl defining mousse in that review as well. What y'all think? Just go ahead and use both of the products. I did already go ahead and use this one up, not use it up, but I did go ahead and use this, and I do like it, so it won't be a first impressions, but we'll just go ahead and put both of these in one video. And then from Chocolate Kingston Curls, now you know that Chocolate Kingston Curls is like temporarily out of business, but every now and then she restocks the site. She came out again with the Chocolate Kingston Curls Red Clay and Hibiscus Clay Washes. This is like my favorite clay wash from her, and I wanted to get this before she was temporarily closing, but y'all went up and bought them all. So once I saw that she was coming back out with them, I had to go ahead and stack two. I am pretty set with clay washes from her for a little bit, but I couldn't help myself. The Red Clay and Hibiscus is like my holy grail. Clay washes are holy grail in general, but specifically that Red Clay and Hibiscus, it just be doing something to my hair that the other ones don't really be doing, so I had to pick those up. And then the next products I picked up are from Nature's Little Secret. So this is like the one and only product from Nature's Little Secret that I hadn't really tried. And this is their Lemon and Rosemary Clarifying Shampoo. Y'all know I'm not the biggest fan of clarifying shampoos, but I've been getting more into them. I've been using more and more shampoo, and I love everything else Nature's Little Secret. So I was like, let me just go ahead and pick this up and try it. I have already gone ahead and used some of it in a wash day or two ago, and I do like this. I will say, if you go in with a second cleanse, this is really going to like not strip your hair, but it's gonna make it feel a little bit stripped, like a little bit stripped. So if you don't want that feeling, just use this once in your hair and rinse it out and move on about your business. But if you're someone who likes to double cleanse, then you might feel a little bit of stripping, just a little bit, but nothing crazy. Like, I did obviously double cleanse with this, which is why I can tell you that it did feel a little bit stripping. But once I like got out the shower, t-shirt dried my hair, and put my deep conditioner in, I was fine. So I really do like this. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel, but I really do like this. And then their newer product that I picked up, and I've already done like a review. I did like a little chit chat deep conditioner with me featuring this, and this is the Agave Nectar Moisturizing Treatment. I picked up two of these because I already knew that I was going to really like this. I don't know where the other one is at. Did I already use it up? I could have very much used it up, but this is a really great moisturizing deep conditioner. It's also very softening. Like, it made my hair so freaking soft. So if you haven't checked out that review, you definitely need to go ahead and do so. And then the last product that I have already gone and used up because I was running low on pre-poo is the ever famous, ever so popular Fenugreek Detangling Pre-Poo. I've already gone through that, y'all. I think y'all saw it in my most recent empties. So as soon as I got that package, I opened it up and I used up my detangling pre-poo. That is it for all of the hair care products. So let's go ahead and get into some things that I picked up from Ulta. e.l.f. dropped their new Halo Glow wands. And these are supposed to be dupes for the Charlotte Tilbury wands that they have. And I picked up 3. So first I have the highlight. This is in the color Liquid Gold. I want to say there is maybe like 3 colors in the highlight. And then I picked up the contours, which I got this one backwards in the package, so I'll just go ahead and take them out of the package. Well, I'll take this one out of the package. This one's still in the package because I haven't used it. But this is their contour wands, and I have 2 colors. I have the darkest shade, which is Deep Rich, and then I have the second darkest shade, which is Tan Deep. These come in 5 total colors, I want to say, so 3 other colors. I'm just going to go ahead and give y'all like a spoiler of the get ready with me that I did. And I'm not the biggest fan of the contour wands just because I feel like the sponge on these is just too small for my face. I have a very big, wide face, and I just feel like this is too small for my face. Also, I don't know if it's just mine or what, but it doesn't like lock. So as you can see, it's super messy. Product squirts out and gets everywhere. Whereas, you know, other products that I've tried that are like this have a lock. So, and it also was patchy. It was a little bit patchy when I blended it out, so I wasn't the biggest fan, but I did actually like the Liquid Gold highlight. The smaller application definitely was a plus for a highlight because you put it in a smaller area, if that makes sense. So I didn't mind the smaller wand, and it definitely did blend out better than the contours. So I was hoping that I was going to like these more than I do. But if you are looking for a, you know, Charlotte Tilbury dupe, drugstore, you know, e.l.f. typically has good products. You may want to check these out, but just for me and the way that it worked on my face, it just didn't blend out the way that I wanted it to. I restocked on my favorite mascara. So I picked up 2 of the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascaras. I don't know why I was drawing a blank. I love these. These are a great dupe for the, what is it? The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. The wand and even the packaging is very similar to that one. And this one is going to give you volume. It is going to give you volume. But I like to actually pair this with this other mascara. This is from Maybelline. This is the Sky High mascara. And this is going to give you length. Amazing length, like almost like falsies length. So when you add this, add the length and add the volume, you just have the most beautiful lashes. It almost looks like you're wearing falsies, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the best at applying falsies, but this gives me the falsie look. These at the time that I purchased them were like buy one get one 50% off at Ulta, which is why I bought 2, because you might as well. And then, you know, just bought one of these. I have this in Cosmic Black, and then these are in Black is Black. Next, I re-upped on my KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. This is a holy grail for me. I will not be without this. I've gone through 2 or 3 tubes of this by now. Just try it out for the first time, I want to say later last year, and I've been hooked. I use this a few times a week, especially after I wash my hair. So, you know, when you're washing all those, you know, butters and oils and all those different ingredients from your deep conditioners, or just, you know, any product that you're rinsing out of your hair, it's going to get on your back and it's going to get in your chest. And if you let it sit there and you don't really, you know, wash your body off, or use things like this, it's going to cause some acne, some back knee. So if you suffer with back knee or chest acne, definitely try this. I will make sure that once I rinse out my hair, I'll go then and wash my body, add this scrub, make sure I scrub it in and get, you know, all over my chest, all over my back, and then I'll rinse it off thoroughly. I also not only use this for my back and my chest, I'll use this for my legs. It's just an amazing body scrub that also has great skincare ingredients that are going to help unclog your pores and just clear your skin. So love this, great repurchase for me. And then another repurchase is my Holy Grail Vitamin C Serum. This is from Urban Skin RX. This is the Even Tone Super Glow Serum. Gone through countless bottles of these. I just finished my other bottle, so I was like, yeah, I need to go ahead and pick this up. This has been great in fading my dark marks that I sometimes get from acne, because I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I haven't been the greatest with my skincare regimen, so I have been having a few more breakouts than I normally do once I am consistent with my skincare. But this has been doing a great job at fading it. Comes with a dropper. I use this maybe a few times a week. It says that you can use it daily, but I use this maybe like 3 or 4 times a week. Make sure you use your SPF. You should be using your SPF anyways, but especially after you use vitamin C. Vitamin C just makes your skin more sensitive, more exposed to the sun rays. So you want to make sure that if you're applying vitamin C that you're extra cautious with your sunscreen. But love this. Again, gone through countless bottles of this, so I just had to go ahead and restock. And then lastly, Pharmacy, one of my favorite skincare brands, was having a 25% off but 30% off sale for members. If you just sign up for like their emails or whatever, you become a member, and I got an extra 5% off to make 30% off. And I just picked up 2 of my favorite toners. Y'all have heard me talk about this time and time again. This is the Deep Sweet 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner. BHA is just salicylic acid, which is great for cleansing and unclogging pores and exfoliating. It's like a chemical exfoliant. And this is very gentle. Although it is a chemical exfoliant, it's very gentle. I use this daily. I go through countless bottles of these, so much so that I did go ahead and pick up 2 bottles because I'm about to run out of the one that I picked up during the Sephora sale. So I was like, let me just go ahead and repurchase. And then I did pick up a mini of the Pharmacy Clearly Clean Cleansing Balm, one of my favorite cleansing balms. And my travel one that I have was running low, so I was like, let me just go ahead and get another travel one since I can get it 30% off. But all right, y'all, that is it for my haul. I will have all the products linked down below for you just in case you want to check them out. I didn't do anything crazy. Again, a lot of these things were just purchases of things that I ran out that I needed, and just a few little things that I wanted to try here and there. Again, if I have any videos on like the newer things in action, I will definitely link those up in the cards for you. Oh shoot, y'all, one more thing, almost forgot. So this isn't something that I bought myself. This is something that I was sent. I work with HH Cosmetics, one of my new favorite brands that I've been trying lately. And y'all know that I love their moisture thickening gel. Moisturizing thickening gel is the proper name. And you can use that for a pre-poo, which is my like preference for using it, but you can also use it for a wash and go, which I've also showed y'all. But that one gives you some medium hold. Well, HH Cosmetics came out with the strong hold version. Okay, and excuse the bottle because I have gone ahead and used this, and I will have a review coming on this very soon. I just want to share with you all this particular product. They sent me a bunch of stuff, but it's already stuff that I've shared and used before and love. But they did send me the new Stronghold gel, and y'all know I am a Stronghold girly for my wash and goes, and it's wash and go season, so definitely stay tuned for that wash and go if it's not already up before this video. I don't think it will be, So definitely stay tuned for the wash and go using this. All right, y'all, so that really is it for my haul. Again, all the products will be linked down below. I do have a coupon code that you can use to save on your HH Cosmetics purchase. If you want to try the Stronghold gel out, or any of their other products, definitely can check out my links and my coupon codes down below. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And as always, I'm so grateful and thankful for each and every one of y'all watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.